Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make some chocolate lava cake that will ooze with chocolate lava in your first bite. Place a dry bowl over a pot of simmering water. Then add 180 grams of chopped chocolates and 110 grams of butter. Make sure that you keep the flame very low. Stir it until most of the chocolates are melted. Now remove from the flame. Wipe underneath the bowl with a cloth. Then continue to whisk until all the chocolates are melted. Take 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and beat on high speed until all the sugar is dissolved. Then add a small pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of instant coffee, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then beat again for a minute. Then pour in the chocolate mixture and beat for a further minute. Then add 3½ tablespoons of flour and beat on low speed for a few seconds until all the flour is fully incorporated. Do not beat for too long. Now take a muffin tray and grease it with butter. You can use ramekins too, but muffin tray gives a perfect portion size. Now dust some cocoa powder over it. Pour the batter into each mold. Unlike muffins, you have to fill it to the brim. Since lava cakes don't rise as we don't add any baking powder. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Now bake these in a preheated oven at 230 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. If you are using ramekins, bake for 10 minutes. Let these cool down for a minute. Don't let them cool completely, as these lava cakes are best enjoyed warm. Then gently go around the cakes with a knife. Then turn it onto a board or onto any clean surface and pat gently till the cakes drop out. Dust with some icing sugar and enjoy your warm, decadent chocolate lava cake. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.